Hey beauties, it's me, Alegra. Babes, I'm just heading out right now. We're getting our house ready for Christmas, so it's a lot of stress. And I have to wrap so many presents, you guys. So anyway, guys, you know what I realized? It's times like when you're really stressed out and things like that and you do your makeup, it's just so calming. For me, anyway, it's so calming. It's really weird. But I just used my Too Faced Clover palette. And guys, I did see this on the Too Faced website, so apparently it's back or what not. It was never gone, and I just didn't see it last time when I thought it was discontinued, but it's back. But they were having a 70% off sale at Too Faced the other day, so I wound up just grabbing another palette that they had that was 75% off, and then they had this cute necklace with like pearls. It's like a faux Chanel, but it says Too Faced instead of Chanel. I thought that was so cute, so I got that. But I just love this palette for every day. I'm wearing this today. I'm also wearing this again after I tried it with you guys the other day. I was like, wow, this is gorgeous, because I haven't used it for the longest time. It's been in my makeup bag. But right now I am just going through all my makeup, and I'm not probably going to buy new makeup. I'm really planning just to use what I have. A lot of the stuff is still in store, so if you guys want to pick it up, it's not like I'm showing you stuff that if you want it you can't get it. This is still available. This is available. I looked it up. It's only at Ulta, so I probably got it at Ulta. I'm just wearing this MAC blush. I have all this MAC makeup that I never wore, so I'm going through it, but the label is worn off. But this was pretty good. Looks pretty good. I'm like into that blush. I'm really hooked on blush now, so I'm just like loving this. I think it really does make you look more wide awake and all that good stuff. This is actually where I'm at now, where my real beauty setup is. Like, I'm so much more comfortable in this space than in sitting under the lights and whatnot. So my husband's here now, guys, but we're gonna head out, grab food so we can cook for Christmas. And I want to go to my P.O. box, you guys. I got some packages because they send me an email when I get packages, so hopefully I could pick those up. But the line is always like, what I mean by, before I understand there's a long line for Christmas, but now it's like around the block. Like, I've never seen lines like that before, so now that's how long it is. So hopefully I could get in and get it, because they said I got 2 packages, so I really want to see what they are. And guys, look how cute these nails are that I did today. These are Kiss press-ons, but they're short, and then they have like this pretty kind of holiday. They're like poinsettias, so I thought that was so cute. And they are at Dollar General now, Kiss nails, so I thought that was really awesome. And then I found this camera. I've just been finding so much stuff, you guys, but it never worked. But I was so upset because it never worked, but all of a sudden it's working, so I'm so happy. It's that, I don't know, anyway, I'm happy. I don't know if you guys know, but it's this little Sony camera that I love, and it didn't work for the longest time, and I just thought, I said, let me turn it on and see what happens, and I think it's working. I'm so happy. Oh, and you guys, a few of you had asked about Louie. Yes, he is still walking. Ever since the other day when he kind of regressed, he's gone back to walking, and he's still walking. He's still doing good, you guys. Thank God. Thank God. Thank God. So, oh guys, I'm wearing this. I don't know if I ever got to tell you guys about this, but this is the Maybelline Raw Chocolate Lip Liner. This is so good. It truly lasts and lasts, and it's just the most gorgeous color. It's just like a MAC lip liner, or a, you know, an expensive lip liner. The color is so beautiful, and this was like, actually they were having buy 2 get 1 free at Ulta, so I got 3 for like, I think it was like $12. And this color, I think it's so, like, I'm very particular, like, with my lip liner colors. Sometimes they're too, I don't know. This color I think is perfect, though, if you love like a MAC Spice or things like that. Those kind of colors. This is such a gorgeous color. And it really, really lasts. That's what's unique about it. It truly lasts. And it's creamy. It's not dry at all, so it feels good when you put it on. You could actually put it all over because it's so creamy. And it lasts and lasts and lasts. And then I just put, because guys, like I said, I'm going through my stash, so I found this lipstick. This is from the MAC Cinderella collection, so I just popped this in the middle, and then I just popped on some gloss. This is Joseph Colors Over the Top. Just put some of this in the middle. These Joseph Colors are so good, so I just thought that was, you know, my lip for the day. So I'm gonna head out now, guys, like I said, and I'll pop back in later and check in with you guys. As I'm just heading out, I changed into this UGG. I don't know how to describe it. I feel like it's like being wrapped in a cloud. It's so comfortable. I gotta show you. It's a top and a bottom. You literally feel like you're enveloped in a cloud. It's the coziest feeling ever. It's crazy. I gotta show you. This is it. This is the UGG top. I don't know the name of it, but I'll link it below. And then these are the bottoms. They're made out of the coziest material of life, and it's so warm. You literally will not be cold an ounce. if you're in a cold climate, you need this. Oh my god. And then I got these cute little UGG slippers that and then this does come in different colors. So I know they had a pink color, I believe they had black, they had a few different color options. Now I'm like, I should get a pink one, right? Or the black. Definitely the black you would wear day and night. But and how cute are these? I'm just so addicted. I'm gonna head out now, guys. Like I said, I'm gonna go to the PO box and see what I got. Hopefully the line's not too long. And then also I just decorated the table for Christmas. We're just having a few people over, just like a few, not a lot. But let me show you guys. So here's our table for Christmas. It's not too many people coming, but you know, we just want to make it festive. And then here, look how cute, guys. I got these at Disney World one year. Oh, I got a Tink one. I love the Tink one. Let me show you Tinkerbell. Here's Tink. So cute. So hop out the door now, guys. Run out the door, but I'll be back in a few. So guys, I'm back and I got my packages. I can't believe it, but there was no line. It was the craziest thing ever. I think because I got there at like 5:51 and they closed at 6, so people probably thought they were closed already, or you know, I guess since it's so close to Christmas, they figured that it's just not gonna get there in time. I don't know, but I'm so glad that I got in and there was no line. So here's what I picked up, guys. I know this is a mini PO box haul today, but I figure it's just fun to come hang out, and I'm just gonna, you know, who cares? It's 2 amazing packages. We don't have no flipping clue what's inside, so that's pretty awesome. So let me just grab for this one. Now both of these I have no idea who they're from. One of them says they're from 12. Don't know who that is, and the other one I don't know who that's from either. So let me go ahead and open it. Oh my gosh, you guys, here it is. Oh my god, look how cute, guys. It's from Revlon. Yes. So I don't know what this is. It looks like a towel. This is so festive. Oh my god, I love this. A Turkish towel. Oh my god, that's so, oh, it says no sweat. That's so funny. Oh my god, I love this. Oh my god, I love this so much. Wow. That's so nice. Maybe they made this for Christmas. And then the guys, they sent this makeup bag filled with goodies. It says Revlon on it, so I'm so excited. Ooh, what is this? Oh, it looks like a new foundation or concealer. Here's the packet, the verbiage that came out. Oh, life-tested makeup. Find your shade that stays for 24 hours and mask-friendly. Oh my god, guys, mask-friendly makeup from Revlon. And there's Ashley Graham. I love Ashley Graham so much. Oh, so this is a Revlon Color Stay 24 Hours Foundation. Great for combination oily skin, it says. Look flawless for up to 24 hours. Lightweight foundation that is transfer proof and heat and humidity resistant. Oh my god. Add creamy longwear concealer. Oh, so there's a concealer too. So it's foundation and concealer. Comfy, ultra comfy, breathable look that moves with you all day. Oh my god. I'm so excited, you guys. I was just thinking the other day, I cannot believe how good Revlon products are. I never, you know, I know there's a lot of good products at the drugstore right now, but I mean, Revlon is better than high-end. It's crazy. I mean, you guys know what I'm going to say, right? That primer is everything. My hair, I use their hair dye and I use it on my eyebrows. It's like, when it's on sale, it's $2. Not on sale, it's like $4.95. It's truly the best hair dye I've ever used. Like I've mentioned before, I used to go to the salon and get my hair done, and it would be like hundreds of dollars for a single process color, and it would wash out. Like, it would wash out, so you would see, you know, my grease and whatnot. But anyway, guys, here is the Revlon Color Stay Concealer, full coverage concealer. And then here's Here is the foundation. Actually, they must have two different versions, one for oily skin and combination skin and one for normal to dry skin. So they sent the normal to dry skin, and then this is probably the oily combination skin. So there's two different versions. You guys, my husband bought me a Christmas present today, but I have no idea what it is. He says he's teasing me now because he's showing it to me, but it's wrapped, so I can't see what it is. I'm wanting to know what. Yeah, guys, so they came out with one version, normal to dry skin Beauties, and one for oily and combination skin Beauties. So that's so good. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. I'll try them both out, and I'll come back and we'll try it out and see how it lasts, if it really lasts 24 hours. I do have a Revlon Color Stay Concealer though that I loved. So I can't wait. Oh, then they sent this. Oh, it's an exercise band. Okay, so that's an exercise towel, and then this is one of those booty bands. So you put these on your knees, kind of at your mid-thigh area, and then you can do like booty exercises, and it provides resistance. So this is one of those resistant bands. Oh, you can put them on your arms too and go like that and do like work your arms and your chest muscles. That's awesome. This is so amazing. Thank you so much, Revlon. This is awesome. They're really, and that lip gloss that I have from them, it's called Snow something Snow. It's amazing. I get people actually stop me on the street and ask me what I'm wearing when I'm wearing it, and it's so good. I think I used it up. I can't find it right now. But anyway, guys, so I got another package here. I don't know who this is from. Oh my god, you guys. Shut the front door. I got that from Francis and shut the front door. Oh my god. I've been so happy every night, guys. I'm not even gonna lie, because I've been using my Glamglow mask now that they had sent me that Christmas package. I don't know if you've seen in my last PR haul, but now, oh my gosh, you guys, they sent me another package, and I don't know what this is, but I can't wait to see. I ran out of their serum, and I love their serum. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. So they have come out with a Glamglow Super Water Gel Triple Acid Oil-Free Moisturizer. Oh my god. Tell skin problems to kiss your acids. I can't wait to try this because I do have oily skin, and so in the daytime I like to wear oil-free moisturizer. At night I'll wear an oil moisturizer because I don't, super hydrating emollient moisturizer, but in the daytime I really don't prefer not to. Some moisturizers are too oily on your skin, and those just wind up leaving you feeling greasy, but if you use an oil-free moisturizer, you're going to get the moisturizing benefits without the greasiness or the oily feeling. So this sounds amazing. I can't wait to use it. So here it is. This is the triple acid oil-free moisturizer. Oh, it says it's an oil-free multitasking moisturizer that helps clarify pores while providing instant weightless hydration. That sounds amazing, because who doesn't want clarified pores, right? So that's why they're calling this a triple acid. It has 3 different acids in here to exfoliate while also moisturizing. OMG, that's great. That's so awesome, because I'm so hooked on skincare now, like a lot of beauties, but now I'm really into skincare, and I love it. I love it. It makes me feel so good to use really good skincare and then to see results. I feel so good. So I can't wait to use that. And then here they sent their Glamglow Super Mud Clearing Treatment, which is one of my favorite. Of all of their masks are my favorite, but this one, the tingly mask, I'm sorry, I forgot the name of it, but the black one, so the white one, the black one, and the purple one are my favorite. And then there's the pink one. There's the blue one, but that's moisturized. That's just a moisturizing one. Actually, I was wanting to tell you guys, I used one time I did an at-home peel and my skin was burnt, and it was like, people actually thought it was never going to come back to normal. It was burnt so bad, but I used the Glamglow moisturizing mask on my skin every day, and I just wore it all day and all night, and like in 4 days it had healed all the crack and the dryness. I mean, my skin was actually peeling off. So if you ever get one of those peels that peels your skin really bad, or if your skin is really chapped or dry, and you try the Glamglow moisturizing mask, you will not believe it. It's truly amazing. I've never seen any moisturizer like that, and like, I've used La Mer, Sicily, I've used all the moisturizers out there, and I've never seen what the Glamglow moisturizing mask does. And then their other ones are so amazing for exfoliating, and then the firming one is, I don't know, that one is crazy because it firms your skin. The pores are gone, and also your skin is plumped looking and super bright. I think that's actually my favorite, but the exfoliating ones are just so amazing for exfoliating and deep cleansing your skin, and if you have oily skin, they're a godsend. So that's pretty much it for today. That's my little mini PR haul for today, my little mini P.O. box haul. And I just wanted to hop in though and say hi. There's Louie. I wish he would come over so he could say hi. He's having fun. I gave him that Christmas cookie that I showed you guys the other day. I gave him that today and he's so thrilled. Like he doesn't want to eat it though. He just carries it around everywhere with him. It's so funny. Oh, he's playing with the ornaments. You want to come say hi, Papa? Come on. He likes to say hi to you guys. He actually like knows. Come on. Just we'll say hi, Papa. He knows because he sees me talking to you guys and he knows. So he comes over to say hi. Okay, say hi. There he is. That's my big boy. So yeah, he's been carrying his cookie around. He's been carrying his Santa everywhere. And he's walking again, guys. So hopefully that never happens again. We don't know. It must have been like a few of you beauties said the cold weather. It was snowing. We think maybe salt might have gotten the yard somehow because we don't have any salt in the yard because it, you know, it hurts their feet. But maybe it was like on our shoes from when we were walking around and it got in the yard. So that's probably what happened. Oh look, he just carried his baby. He just carried his baby over. His little lamb chop. You want your lamb chop? Come say hi. Come say hi and get the lamb chop. Come here. Oh no. Come on. Okay. He wants lammy. He wants his lammy, you guys. So I hope you guys are doing good. Are you guys getting ready for the holidays? It's so hard, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I had like a mini meltdown today. More than a mini meltdown because I'm so stressed out for the holidays and it's just so hard with everything going on, you know, with how you can't have people over and it's so hard. I can't get into it because apparently if you talk about it, they will, you know, your videos will get demonetized and things like that. But you guys probably know what I mean. It's just so hard because you want to see your family, but you know, it's just too much. But anyway, guys, I'll be back soon and I hope you guys are all doing good and I love you so much and I'll talk to you later. Bye, beauties.